quick reading for April the 25th to the 26th. Capricorn, your cards are the Eight of Cups, the High Priestess, and the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, nandito na po yung situation na siguro sinabi mo sa sarili mo, I think I need to retract, detach myself, remove myself from the equation para malaman ni person na importante ako sa buhay niya. With the Eight of Cups, napapansin natin na you might be watching your person from afar. Yung PNF ko na sisira. Melies Caseco. Anyway, you're watching your person from afar and then nakikita natin na itong si person natin medyo standing on their feet. Yun naman kasi yung gusto mong mangyari. Magkaroon siya ng sense of responsibility. Alam mo rin na mamimiss ka niya from spacing out, no? Ngayon, parang sabi mo, I think it's time na magparamdam ako uli, no? At parang sobrang na-miss ka niya. Nakita natin dito na kailangan mo lang gawin yung mga bagay para magkaroon siya ng lesson. So, yep, tama yung hinala mo. And this is your quick reading for April the 25th to the 26th, Capricorn.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.